The automotive department has one of the highest attainment rates in the whole of the UK, and state-of-the-art facilities that means if you're serious about a career in the industry, we are your first choice. A testament to our success is that we are the leading centre in Wales for the Institute of the Motor Industry and Ford UK. As a result, we have many employers coming to us to upskill their existing qualified workforce.
Well, we use the college for both block and day release training for our accident repair centre trainees and also our service trainees. We find that the standard of training is excellent. All the tutors are well-informed, professional, and a lot have had industry-based experience before coming into the college, which reinforces the standards that we require within the dealership. They reinforce the self-discipline, the timekeeping and the professionalism that we require, so that the training off-site is seamlessly run into the on-site training as well, and the standards are maintained. Well, we're delighted with the facilities at the college because, again, they reinforce the standards of the facilities that we have within the dealership. Being a Ford main dealer, we're delighted that the service technicians in particular are able to work on Ford vehicles. The equipment is new, it's up to date, and the IT suites are first class, which makes a very conducive learning environment for all our students. Well, I'd recommend Coleg Glan Hafren because of the quality of teaching that's available, the knowledge of the staff and their professionalism, the facilities that are available on site, and the fact that all our students, without exception, really enjoy going. They've learnt so much there and they come out as qualified, confident individuals.
We constantly invest in our state-of-the-art facilities for light vehicle, HGV, body and paint, and motorcycle.
I think the facilities are first class. We try and mirror industry as best we can. We invest in latest technology, we have great support from manufacturers, and we fall in line with industry as well. And we listen to industry and try and provide what industry requires and demands. Well, ATA's assessment is licensing within the motor industry, and that is licensing technicians who are working out there at the moment in industry on modern vehicles, and it's independently tested and assessed here at the college. And then they will have a license which is valid for 5 years. And that's on body repair, paint, mechanical, electrical and trim. So really across the board, the technical advancements of the motor vehicle. The staff take time, they care, we're from industry, and it's really putting something back in and working with the student to encourage the growth and the skills and see the rewards that it brings. So I guess you'd say the staff is the most valuable asset. Personally, the fulfillment I get from my job is seeing the students develop. They arrive to us sometimes with very or no qualifications. At 14 years of age, they go through a work placement to an apprentice program, to industry. They'll come back for licensing, and you see them grow and mature and develop confidence and careers. It's great, it's a good reward.
Coleg Glan Hafren's reputation attracts high-profile employers and students from across the country.
Professional facilities we get to use, stuff like the jigs, welding bays, just stuff that we would need to learn to work into a garage. I'm looking to become a panel beater and maybe go on to doing paint spraying and maybe mechanics later on. If I wasn't coming to college, I'd most probably be stuck in a job that I didn't like with minimum wage, and I wouldn't have the career that I wanted. Teaching staff helps us a lot. They help us if we ever get stuck in doing something, like the welding and on the jig, and they teach us how to use the equipment properly.
In short, we have the advanced facilities, enhanced resources and professional teaching staff to deliver first-class training to the automotive industry.
The college provides mainly the foundation modern apprenticeship and advanced modern apprenticeship in light, heavy and bodywork and refinishing, and they've recently moved into the motorcycle area as well. The standard of training has been excellent, with qualifications in the range of 90% plus on average over the last couple of years. And in addition, I'd like to add that they support and monitor youngsters if they have problems on their program, which help them to retain, overcome those problems, and then obviously achieve the qualifications. So it's excellent. The facilities here are state-of-the-art. They're required by industry, and I would say in some cases possibly better than industry, and therefore the youngsters have excellent skills development, which means that when they go back to work they've got all the skills that their employers require. Well, we've been using Coleg and Hafren for over 10 years, and in that period of time we've seen the progress made by the college by increasing the equipment, qualifications, and basically 10 years speaks for itself. If we weren't happy with the service, we wouldn't be here after 10 years.
Coleg Glan Hafren. Serious about success.